Safety isn't something you think about the most until the moment you wish you had. Danger doesn't send a warning, and when it comes to everyday home defense, size matters, but not in the way most people think. So today, we're going to show you the 15 compact home defense handguns that balance power, reliability, and everyday practicality. Updated price and purchase links are down below. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's begin. When you want a compact handgun that still feels solid and refined in the hand, this one stands out right away. The Spec Series 6 from Smith & Wesson builds on the P-09 M2.0 metal compact platform, but adds upgraded features that make it feel special. It runs on a 9mm chambering with a compact metal frame, giving it extra durability and a balanced weight that helps reduce felt recoil. The barrel length sits around 4 inches, and it uses a 15-round magazine capacity, which keeps it compact while still practical for personal protection. The slide comes optics ready, making it easy to mount a red dot sight if desired. It also includes an enhanced flat-face trigger for a cleaner break and reset. The aluminum frame with aggressive grip texture keeps it steady in the hand without feeling oversized. For self-defense, its compact dimensions make it easier to carry compared to a full-size pistol, while still offering solid shootability and control. Users often praise its smooth trigger and sturdy metal frame, though some mention the weight is slightly heavier than polymer versions. Moving from rugged tactical styling to competition-inspired precision, the CZ Shadow 2 Compact blends performance and portability in a unique way. This handgun keeps the DNA of the well-known Shadow 2 series but trims it down into a more carry-friendly size. Chambered in 9mm, it features a roughly 4-inch barrel and a 15-round capacity, making it compact without sacrificing capability. And unlike many striker-fired pistols in this size, the Shadow 2 Compact uses a hammer-fired system with a smooth double-action and crisp single-action trigger. The aluminum frame helps manage recoil and gives it a stable feel during rapid follow-up shots. It also comes optics ready, so users can mount a red dot for quicker target alignment. The aggressive grip texture and ergonomic shaping help maintain control even under stress. For self-defense, its balanced weight and refined trigger can help with accuracy and confidence. Even though it is compact, it feels substantial in the hand. Many users appreciate its smooth shooting characteristics, though some note it is slightly heavier than other compact carry options. Sometimes the biggest concern with concealed carry is comfort, and that is where the Heckler & Koch CC9 makes its mark. Designed specifically for concealed carry, this 9mm pistol focuses on a slim, lightweight profile. It features a compact barrel length just under 4 inches and a slim grip that helps reduce printing under clothing. The CC9 uses a striker-fired system and comes optics ready, allowing users to add a micro red dot. Its lightweight frame makes it easier to carry throughout the day, while still offering a practical magazine capacity suitable for personal defense. The ergonomics are carefully shaped, and the textured grip panels help maintain control without feeling too rough. Because it is purpose-built for concealment, it is easy to carry in different positions and does not feel bulky. For self-defense, its size and reliability focus make it practical for everyday situations where discretion matters. Owners often highlight its slim feel and quality build, though some mention that smaller pistols can feel snappier during recoil compared to larger models. Staying in the compact category, the RM1C from Rost Martin focuses on blending comfort, control, and affordability. Chambered in 9mm, this striker-fired handgun features a barrel length just under 4 inches and typically comes with a 15-round magazine. Its polymer frame keeps the weight manageable, making it easier to carry daily. One of its key strengths is ergonomics. The grip angle and texture are designed to fit naturally in the hand, helping with steady control. It also comes optics ready, which adds flexibility for those who prefer red dot sights. The slide design and serrations allow for a confident grip when handling the firearm. Despite being compact, It offers a full grip for many users, which can improve comfort and accuracy. And for self-defense, the RM1C offers a good balance between size and shootability. It is small enough to conceal, but large enough to control comfortably. Many users appreciate its value for the price and comfortable grip, though a few mention that aftermarket support is still growing compared to older brands. As handguns get smaller, keeping performance high becomes more challenging, and that is where the Canik Mete MC9 stands out. This micro-compact 9mm pistol is designed specifically for concealed carry. It features a shorter barrel around 3 inches and offers magazine options that typically range from 12 to 15 rounds, depending on configuration. Even with its compact size, the Mete MC9 comes optics ready and includes a well-known Canik trigger that feels crisp and clean. The polymer frame keeps it lightweight, which makes it easier to carry for extended periods. Its grip texture and interchangeable back straps help users find a comfortable fit even in a smaller format. Plus, this MC9 can be used with both the optical sight and the classic rear sight at the same time. This allows the shooter to engage the target very easily and quickly. And if we talk about self-defense performance, this smaller footprint makes it easy to conceal in various clothing styles while still maintaining practical capacity. It balances portability with performance, which is key in the micro-compact segment. Users often praise its trigger quality and value package. Stepping into an optic-ready compact that blends modern features with everyday carry practicality, the FN America Reflex is built around the idea that a defensive handgun should be easy to shoot, easy to carry, and easy to operate under stress. Chambered in 9mm, it comes with a roughly 3.5-inch barrel and a slim grip that keeps the overall size small without feeling toyish in hand. The standout here is the Reflex sight system cut on the slide, meaning it was designed from the start to work with micro red dots without messy adapters. That makes acquiring your target quicker and more intuitive, something that matters when self-defense isn't a drill, but a real moment. It uses a polymer frame with light but confident texture, helping it stay comfortable during long carry days while still managing recoil well. For self-defense use, its balanced feel helps you shoot accurately even if you're newer to handguns, and the optic-ready design sets it apart in this compact class. Users often say the trigger feels crisp and responsive, though some note the grip texture is lighter than they expected for a defensive gun. Carrying forward the idea of a modern defender that stays compact and capable, the Springfield Echelon 4.0 FC feels like a thoughtful blend of concealability and performance. Built on a 4-inch barrel 9mm platform, it strikes a nice balance where it's not too long to print under clothing, yet still long enough to be steady and accurate when you're taking a conscious sight picture. What makes this model unique is that Springfield built it to be optics ready right from the factory and paired it with an ergonomically shaped grip that feels natural if this is your first serious carry pistol. The FC designation means it comes with features like front cocking serrations and a crisp trigger that's designed to help your follow-up shots be more controlled. And if we talk about everyday self-defense situations, that combination helps confidence. Smaller guns can otherwise feel jumpy. Owners regularly appreciate its smooth trigger and easy grip fit, but some mention that its compact size still takes a bit of adjustment if you're used to larger handguns. When you're thinking about everyday carry and want something that disappears on your body but still feels serious in your hand, the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield X delivers a quietly confident take on that idea. It's chambered in 9mm with a short barrel that keeps its height and width small enough for inside-the-waistband carry, yet still manages a respectable magazine capacity considering its slim build. You get aggressive front and rear serrations that make racking smooth and confident, even under pressure. The reversible mag catch keeps it friendly for lefties, and the slightly longer grip boosts capacity while giving your hand a more secure hold. Ergonomics feel noticeably improved, especially during longer range days. It's optic-ready with an RMS CK cut and includes a front rail for accessories. The X version of the Shield adds things many people care about in a defensive handgun: an optics-ready slide, so you can mount a small red dot, an improved grip texture, and a crisp trigger that helps you feel the break cleanly rather than mushy or vague. And this size balance can mean less hesitation to carry it every day because it hardly gets in the way. Going even smaller but still serious about defensive utility, the Ruger MAX-9 has been turning heads in the micro-compact 9mm class because it manages to squeeze some premium features into a very small package. Built by Ruger, this micro-compact pistol is designed for everyday personal protection without feeling like a compromise. It's slim and comfortable enough to carry inside the waistband or even in a pocket holster, yet it still delivers the solid capacity and modern features you'd expect from a larger handgun. With a barrel just over 3 inches and a frame designed specifically for discreet carry, it still offers optics readiness and comes with a quick access manual safety, something many people prefer when they're thinking defensively. The grip is textured where you need it and smooth where you don't, making it comfortable enough to carry all day without digging into your body. For everyday defense, the MAX-9's lightweight and thin profile make it easy to tuck into a pocket holster or waistband without feeling bulky, while the safety appeals to people who want an added layer of control. So, whether you're new to firearms or you've been at it for years, this MAX-9 brings a lot to the table. A handgun that really bridges the gap between compact daily carry and hot rod performance, the Springfield Hellcat Pro Comp is built on the success of the original Hellcat but adds enhancements that make it stand out. It is built for shooters who want serious performance without hauling around a full-size handgun, and is integrated compensator, machined directly into the hammer-forged barrel and slide with a single port, helps tame recoil and keep muzzle rise in check. And the result is faster follow-up shots and a flatter shooting experience in a compact package. Chambered in 9mm with a barrel length just over 3 inches, it stays small enough to conceal comfortably while adding performance-oriented features like an optics-ready slide, improved ergonomics, and a ported barrel that slightly helps manage muzzle rise. The grip texture is confident without being aggressive, and the overall design is streamlined to reduce printing. Users frequently praise its balanced compromise between size and shootability, though some do mention that the porting adds a very slight increase in noise and muzzle blast compared to non-ported models, something worth knowing before you train with it. Next, check out the Canik Prime Radian steps things up by taking what a modern carry pistol should be and pushing it toward precision without making it hard to handle. Built around a 9mm chambering, the Prime Radian holds a 3.5-inch barrel and still gives you 14 rounds, which is a solid balance of size and capacity for self-defense. From the official Canik page, you'll see it's made with a stainless steel slide and nitride-treated barrel, which gives it durability and corrosion resistance that's reassuring if you carry it daily. The slide is optics-ready, meaning you can mount a micro red dot quickly, and it comes with front and rear serrations for confident slide manipulation. What makes the Radian stand apart is how its ergonomics are designed. The grip angles feel natural in the hand, and the texture is confident without being abrasive, helping you maintain control if adrenaline spikes. The trigger on this model also feels clean and consistent, and between the compact size and around the waistband-friendly profile, it's genuinely easy to carry. Users appreciate the smooth trigger and easy concealment, though a few have mentioned they wish the grip felt a little larger for bigger hands overall. Now, when you want something that blends durability with everyday capability, the P-09 Nocturne is a great example of how a compact handgun can still feel solid and controlled. This pistol is chambered in 9mm and features a 3.5-inch black Duraline-coated slide designed for corrosion resistance and lower glare in bright conditions. Its frame is based on the popular P-09 platform, but it has a slightly more compact footprint that makes it easier to conceal than a full-size model while still giving roughly 15+1 rounds of capacity. That's a generous amount for its class. The Nocturne's trigger system stays true to CZ's hammer-fired design, with a clean and predictable pull that many shooters like for defensive use. The pistol also includes night sights, right from the factory, which is especially useful if you're thinking about low-light self-defense situations. The grip texture is aggressive enough to stay secure in your hand without being uncomfortable during longer practice sessions. In real use, owners tend to highlight its smooth double action to single action transition and night sight setup. If you want a compact handgun that feels a little more refined and tuned to precision, the Oracle Arms 2311 Compact Pro blends classic design with modern performance. This handgun is chambered in 9mm major, which means it's built to handle higher pressure defensive ammunition more comfortably while still staying within a manageable recoil range. Its barrel sits right around 4 inches, and the overall design emphasizes balance and stability thanks to slide cuts that reduce weight and smooth out cycling. The Compact Pro comes optics ready, letting you mount a micro red dot directly without adapters, which adds to quick target acquisition once you're trained up. The grip on the 2311 is undercut and textured where it needs to be, making it feel reassuringly solid in the hand. This is especially helpful when you're focusing on control under stress. It's a slightly larger compact compared to ultra-micro pistols, but that extra surface area gives many users better purchase and stability for accurate shots. And users also love the crisp trigger and smooth slide action. For those who want a handgun that's tiny, simple, and reliable, the North American Arms Sentinel brings a completely different approach to the table. This is a 5-shot .22 Magnum revolver, which might seem small for defensive power, but because of its size and the ballistics of .22 mag, it can be a capable backup choice when maximum concealment is the priority. The barrel is just 2 inches, and the frame is so compact it'll disappear in a pocket or small carry holster, which is ideal for everyday coverage when you don't plan to wear a larger pistol. The Sentinel is crafted from stainless steel with a matte finish, and grip options are designed to maximize purchase even on such a small shroud. Though it's smaller than typical compact automatics, that's exactly why many people like it. There's almost nothing to worry about when carrying it tucked into a pocket or bag. Its mechanical simplicity is reassuring. No slides, no magazines, just a cylinder and hammer. Owners often praise how easy it is to carry and how reliable it feels, but most also mention the trade-off of managing that tiny size and lighter power compared to larger handguns. Now, with an excellent example of a compact striker-fired pistol, the Heckler & Koch VP9 SK brings the performance and ergonomics of a full-size gun into a carry-friendly package. Chambered in 9mm, it features a 3.39-inch barrel and a slide width designed to make it easier to conceal without losing much in sight radius or control. The grip has H&K's signature interchangeable back straps and side panels, so you can customize it to fit your hand. That really helps with comfortable, repeatable performance. The trigger is crisp and light for its class, and because it's part of the VP9 family, the naturally balanced geometry helps manage recoil smoothly. The VP9 SK also comes optics ready from the factory, and the sights are tall enough to co-witness with a red dot if you choose one. For everyday carry, its combination of ergonomics and controllability helps even newer shooters stay on target when it counts. And users also love how controllable it feels for such a compact pistol, though some do mention that its grip texture can feel a bit aggressive at first until you get used to it. So that was our list of 15 compact handguns for self-defense. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.